Hiya, it's Jason's Jungle. First time I've been able to do a video for a while because I've just been popping back and forth and it always seems to be raining when I've been down here. But lovely sunny day today. I'm going to be getting on with some harvests, so I'll show you what I've been getting out of here. You should hopefully see that my squash plants have started to die off, and you can start seeing the squash that are underneath them. So I'll be taking the fruit and clearing the beds, and I'll show you what I get out of this. So I've got a couple of beds here and I've got some on the compost heap. So I will get on with clearing these up. This is my haul of squash so far. Well, actually it's all of it. I've got a couple of courgettes ready, but I'll leave them on until the plants die off with frost. So let's have a quick look through what's here. Starting with these little, sweet little ones. These are golden nugget. That's probably as large as they get, that one. Individual size. So they shouldn't be too bad. Just pop one in the oven per person for these smaller ones. Then we've got a butterbush. This is the only one I got off them. I've never really had much luck with butternut squashes or their type, so having one's good. Behind them, the ones in the pyjamas, as my mother likes to call them, these are the delicacia. You can get them in bush or vine. They don't last as long. The skins are thinner than other winter squash, but they're supposed to have a sweet potato-like flavour. And over here, now these I think are sugar bear, honey bear. So these two came from the one in this bed. This one was in the greenhouse, and the other three were my compost bin. Now that compost bin is the compost bin I put all the Lelandii in. So there was worries about whether it's going to be too acidic or if plants are going to like it. But if we look right at the back, there's that swarm of Amazonka. There's quite a few of them. 1, 2, 3. Quite a few. 8, 9. So they've grown in there as well. So obviously it wasn't as bad as it could have been. We've got 2 more Amazonka here, which came from the greenhouse, and 1 Amazonka that came from this bed. Here we've got some yellow crookneck. Now that's a summer squash, but I had Zephyr as well growing, and I much prefer the flavour of Zephyr. That I just let these to go mature, and we'll see if they've got any better flavour than as a mature squash rather than a summer squash. If not, then I won't be growing them again. And way at the back, we'll just go over there and have a look at these ones. In the front are 2 called F1 Zombie. I'm quite disappointed because although they've got warts, the photo showed them massively covered with warts for Halloween. And that's all that it says on the thing, is good for Halloween with the warts. Nothing about eating. So whether they're edible or not, I don't know. Now the green one behind it, I can't remember the name, but it looks like it's the butternut type, but it was green on the seed packet as well. I'll try and find out the name and put it underneath. And then I think that's Jack of all trades behind it. I believe that's what it's called. Which is the biggest one of the lot. I mean, that was a proper veining one, not a bush one. The rest of these were all bushes. apart from these three here. Oh yeah, 4, because I forgot about 1, and I'll show you that now. If you look at these long thin banana type squashes, these are South Georgia Candy Roaster. 1 bigger than 2 little ones, supposed to be very sweet, so I will find out what they're like. As luck would have it, it's starting to rain again. So my camera's not waterproof, so I'll leave the harvesting potatoes till next time I'm down. Anyway, glad to be back, and I hope you see me in my next video soon. See you later.